Hello everyone, my name is Krish Gupta. I am student of EIILM-Kolkata. My course name is BBA Hotel and Hospitality Management. Today we are preparing Pitta wrap.
So here we go. We have the pita breads already made. We have some roast chicken. We have some colorful vegetables, juliennes. We have onions. We have lemon, and we have some dips. So we are going to start with making this. So these vegetables are going to be stir fried. We will raise the temperature so that it becomes stir fried, it becomes crisp and juicy. These are some bell peppers, of course colorful bell peppers, some tomatoes, some spring onions, some black pepper, we'll put some tomato sauce, mix it well. We'll put some mayonnaise, little bit of mayonnaise, some mustard dips, mix it well, mix it, please mix it. We have some already made pita breads with some oil. We're going to roast it a little bit. We'll cut this chicken into juliennes.
We complete the dish, Pitta wrap, and please try at home.
And let us know how you liked it. Thank you.
Thank you.